Little boy. He wants his mom. She's trying to wean him. Oh, he's going to be the first one to figure out how to get out of here. Oh, jeez. Big old mama's baby. You big old mama's baby. Sister's getting her toy. She says, what'd you think about that, Mama? You got your own little suite. You can go sleep with them if you want, and you got your whole big old bed, right? How about that, huh? You get up in my lap? Yeah, because your mama's good girl. A very good girl. You got a bunch of crying babies. Peter Cottontail, cool it. Hey, Peter Cottontail. Peter Cottontail. Big old mama's baby. Right? I don't see the girls crying like that. No. I don't see the girls crying like that. Just go over there and get your toy. You're okay. She's in there and he doesn't even know it. Peter, hey, Cottontail, Mom's over here. Oh, God. He hasn't even noticed she's in here yet. What, big old baby? What? I already got you out. You need to be settling down, get ready for night-night. You need to get ready for night-night. Go play with your sisters. They said, no, we don't want him to pick on us. Mama's gonna make her, oh, she took her treat in there. That's what she's doing. She's burying her treat. Peter. Peter. Don't you figure out how to jump out of there. Don't you figure out how to jump out of there. Please don't figure out how to jump out. Just go over here and play with your sisters. Look how good they're being. Mom is happy over there and getting a break. Okay? And she's allowed. Okay? He's got something. Oh, oh. Look at sister. Sister's gonna tell him off.